Very good evening to everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about something on Ollama. So, if you see here, what actually Ollama is, it's advanced AI tool that allows user to easily set up and run large language model locally, right? So, if you want to set up any LLM model local to your system, so this is one of the best option to use Ollama. So the question is how you can set it up to the local. So what actually you need to do is you just need to go to the Ollama main website. Okay, so you just have to come to ollama.com, and then you need to download this Ollama software and install to your local system. So if you are using Mac, you are good to install in your Mac system. If you have a Linux platform, you can install and set up Ollama to your Linux and Windows as well. So since I am using Windows, I already set up Ollama to my local. So it's just a very easy step. You just need to download and install to your system. That's it, right? And another question is, what are the different model which you can integrate to the Ollama, right? To the locally. So uh, if you just need to come to this model, and here you will be having different types of model. So DeepSeek R1, it's a it's a it's a LLM model which is under development from the China. Their team is developing this, and we have a different LLM model as well. So LLM model will have certain a certain level of capacity to give you the result, but DeepSeek so far it's good. If you are giving some prompt, you will be able to get the good response from the DeepSeek. Okay, so while you set up locally, right, there will be there will be a certain kind of what level of model you are going to set up. Like if you see you have a capacity of 1 GB, it will go with the 404 GB. So if you are going to take 404 GB, right, you may get good and accurate result if you are according to your prompt, right? But what I observe is if you are going to utilize very less also like 1.5 B, you will be able to get a good result. Okay, so I have set up very less, like that is 1.5 B in my local. So as I said, just need you need to just Ollama. It's a free software. First of all, you no need to pay anything. It's a free and open source. You can download and install, and then once you install, it will get configured to your local. And how to verify it? You just come to the command prompt and just give Ollama version, right? You will be able to see the which Ollama version is installed in your system. Okay. Now the question is how any LLM model you are going to set up in your local, right? So once you already have this setup, now it's time to integrate your model. So model you can get it from here. I just take it up this DeepSeek, and if you want to go ahead with a different different model, you are good to go ahead. If you want to go with the Fee4, if you want to go with another LLM model, you are good to go ahead. Okay, so I'm just going with the DeepSeek R1, which is I'm just I already set it up with very less, that is 1.1 GB. So this is very what model you have. You just need to give the Ollama run, and you will be good to run your So I will just see what Ollama list I have. So I have already set up this DeepSeek R1 5B, as I said, and the size is 1.1 GB. Okay, if you want to set it up with a high capacity, you are good to do. If your hard disks or if your local having a good capacity of size, right, you are good to go ahead with the highest size as well, right? Highest size of LLM model. So now what actually you need to do is you need to just give Ollama and run, and which model you are going to make as a local. Okay, so just you need to copy your model name and then hit it. Okay, so now if you see, right, it started taking, and you now if you see it set it up, and it is asking you send a message. So now you already set it up. Now the local setup has been done. If I'm going to write some prompt, right, just I'm going to ask, can you give me, can you give me list of all states of India? Okay, so let's see what result it is giving. So it started thinking and it started giving me the result. Okay, so guys, like one thing which is very very important is the prompt engineering. Okay, how much good you are in prompt engineering, that is gonna to save lots of time for you. uh, how you are searching in chat gpt, or how you are giving instruction to any bot in order to get a proper result. So that's very important. Okay, so uh, so you need to be more good in the prompt engineering these days, right? That will going to make your life easy. In if you are developing, if you are in a development side, or if you are in quality engineering background, or no whatever, right? Like that will help your, that will help and going to save your huge amount of time. Okay, so as you see here, right, it started, giving me the result, and it started giving me the list of all the states of India, and no, it's giving the result. So I will just give few more prompt, in order to give you few more result. Okay, so if you see, it started giving what are the northern part, central part, south part, western part, all part of India. It started giving me the result, right? Uh, so it's all about like the model which is working behind, nothing else, right? Like there is certain model which is working behind, and it's already set up now in your local. In my now currently in my local, it's already set it up so that I am having control through my command prompt, and I'm getting the result. So now if you see the result done, and if I want to get some kind of result on some kind of test cases, write uh, test cases for IRCC web application. Okay, I'm asking some few test cases for IRCTC web application. Okay, so it's all like no, it's going to set it up to your local, and it will start giving you the result. Okay, so that's all. Like I mean, my intention was from this video is to show you like how just I want to make a summarize of this video. My intention was to just show you how how you are going to set up Ollama to your local. So very easy step. You just need to download and install. That's it. And after that, you just need to come to the model and just check which which model you are interested in. Take that model and utilize to your local, or set it up to your local. And also one more beautiful thing is they have the github access. They have the github access, and probably you can also go through their code, how they are how they are collaborating, and how these all are the developer, these all are their developer whose contributions are there, and how, I mean, you can go through it, and also this might help for your learning. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. With keep in touch with me through my channel. I will be going to make few more videos on that, and thank you so much.